Imagine trusting yourself so deeply that all of your doubt just crumbles away. That is the real power of becoming a confident tarot reader. And as a certified Biddy Tarot advisor, you step into that power with confidence, with intuition, and the ability to truly change and transform lives.
Being a tarot reader, we are doing something that's very unconventional, that's not mainstream. As it is, we have to work doubly hard to gain people's trust, to show them that we are reliable. Having those systems in place, or knowing how I can show up as a professional, how should my website look, or even, what is the pre stuff that I do before the reading? How do I follow up after? I think this is really important. That was another thing that shifted for me.
Becoming a certified Biddy Tarot advisor is an absolute game changer because you're not just learning tarot, you're joining a community that believes in your potential and pushes you to really own it. And this is where that casual idea of reading tarot on the side, it turns serious and you go from doubting yourself to confidently stepping into your purpose. And for so many, it is nothing short of life-changing.
And I've been doing Elite Rose Tarot now for almost 2 years. I had it when I started with Biddy, but it was just like an idea. And once I started with Biddy Tarot, it was serious. It was like, okay, they're taking you serious. You need to take yourself serious. It is a huge nod to be able to say you graduated from Biddy Tarot, period. It's been a hell of a ride. It truly has. It's again, I'll say it's changed my life. And I will brag and say to anyone that's thinking about it, please do it, because there's so many things that you'll create.
Becoming a certified Biddy Tarot advisor is a truly powerful transformation. It is more than learning the cards. It's about stepping boldly into your purpose, unlocking your potential, and becoming a trusted guide that other people really turn to. And if you allow it, this certification will guide you to build unbreakable confidence, create life-changing connections, and set you up to make a real impact. So I hope you take the leap today and watch your future transform beyond anything you dreamed was possible.
Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.